Hey everyone, welcome to this C++ programming series. In this short video, I'm just going to show you how to install CodeBlocks for Windows machine. Okay, so here I have like a couple of websites open. This is the official website of CodeBlocks, and here it is the website that I showed you last time, right? So I'll show you both ways to download the setup for the Windows machine. If you're on the main website, then go to Downloads, and here is the download the binary release. And here we have Windows versions of setup, and we have Linux as well as for Mac. um, if you go over here, then you can see that it says 17.12 Ming GW setup. This is the one that we want to download, and that is because it has the additional GCC and compiler that we want. You remember last time in the Linux version of the video that I showed you that we had to download this separately, right? For this Windows version, we can download it in the same setup. So you can just directly go over here, and it's going to take you to the same website that I showed you last time, but just to keep it separate, I'm just going to show you how it is. And if you go to the second website, if you go to the binaries 17.12, and this time we'll go to the Windows instead of Linux, and here is the same setups that we can find over here. Okay, so you can download it from either way, from here or here. I'm going to show it from here because the last time I showed you from that site. So if you go to the minggw setup.exe, just click here, and the download will start shortly. So once it is downloaded, then I'll show you the further steps. Okay, here I just want to download it. So it will take just like a couple of seconds, or 15 seconds to be exact. Okay, as you can see that we have downloaded it. Okay, I got the setup from my downloads folder over here. And if you open this one, and then you can just go to next, go agree, then I would recommend that you don't do anything from here. If you really want to, then you can go to the custom and then decide whatever you want, but just go with full is fine. That is okay. Okay, so press next and it will start. Okay, all done. Let's start. Yes, I want to run. Okay, see, since this setup already contained the GCC compiler, it is already being detected. So let's go, and as you can see, it's the 17.12 version, or if you go over here to the about, it's 17.12, right? And just to test it out, I will create a new project for you guys, and just like last time, I'll open a console window, console application I mean, and go to next, C++, yes, then let's give it a name, test, and this one is fine for now. Press next and just leave it like these, and here we go. And if you go to the main.cpp, it's the same, and just like last time, just press this button, build and run. There we go, it's hello world, and that's it. Okay, thank you for joining me, guys. If you have any trouble, just leave some comments and I'll get back to you guys. And if you like the video, just give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.